Children, very good morning. It is my privilege to be your teacher. It is your lovely teacher, yes, C. Misra. I am going to talk you people about the English language and literature of class 10th. In this book, the first chapter is of Lencho the Farmer, and it is written by G.L. Fuentes. Children, in this chapter, Lencho is a hard-working farmer. Lencho used to live at a hill. He is a farmer. He is residing in such a environment, such a happy and hearty surrounding, and is very hard working man. He is having his 5 children, and his wife is there, and he is doing all type of different farming. His farming is of very value and virtue. In this farming, he has some flowers, he has corn field, and some other things. While it was the starting of rainy season, his crops required the water, and it was very essential to rain. At that moment, what happened? All of a sudden, Lencho felt a hot, humid air. He talked his wife gently that, my dear woman, we are going to have some rain. His wife also became happy. And at that moment, there came the breeze, the cool breeze that symbolizes the beautiful rain. And after that, there was raindrops. Lencho himself talked to his wife and told her that these small raindrops were of 5 paise coins and those bigger one of 10 paise coin. Meaning thereby what? That the rain was in the form of money to the farmer Lencho. And children, Lencho got in a very happy way, very lovely manner. Lencho felt overjoyed, and his children were also happy. His wife was happy. They all were happy. But after some time, there was a great rain. It was a very torrential rain, and after some rain, there were the hailstones. The hailstones were so heavy that these all made the complete crop destroyed. And this destroying the crop was so painful that Lencho could not bear. His complete crop was destroyed, and he was in so unhappy position that he was having no support from anywhere. Lencho wished to have some help, and having no any help, he wrote a letter to the God. He went to the post office and sent the letter. In that letter, Lencho wrote that, oh God, I have no any hope, I have no any help, my all things are over, and to sustain my life, to sustain my family, to sustain my own complete life, I need your help. And God, you must help me. That letter, when was sent to the post office, children, the postman who brought the letter to God went to the postmaster. The postmaster was a very fat man. He was very amiable, he was friendly, he was helping, he was cooperative. As soon as the postman showed him letter and he asked, साहब, हमने अपनी जिंदगी में आज तक की नौकरी में ऐसा कोई पत्र नहीं देखा जिस पे पाने वाले का नाम लिखा हो लेटर टू गॉड. मैं इस लेटर को कैसे दूं, किसको दूं, हाउ टू डिलीवर दिस लेटर. एंड चिल्ड्रन, after hearing this, the postmaster smiled, laughed, and thought that let us do some good work, let us do some benevolent work. कोई अच्छा काम करते हैं, कोई बढ़िया काम करते हैं. And for that good work, he himself contributed some money. He also asked his co-workers to contribute some money. And all co-workers, all of them contributed some money. After their contribution, he was able to collect 70 pesos. And those all money were kept in an envelope. And when Lencho was there on the next week at the post office, they gave him those 70 pesos. But Lencho was in dire need of 100 pesos. And he believed, he thought that God cannot do such mistakes. Counting mistakes and other mistakes can be done by human being. भगवान तो अपने आप में पूर्ण है, वो कभी गलती नहीं कर सकते. और भगवान ने उसको 100 पीसों ही भेजा होगा. God must have sent him to the 100 pesos. But these people, these post office employees, they are bunch of crook. ये ठगों का समूह है, ये धोखेबाजों का समूह है. Being the bunch of crook, they must have taken his 30 pesos. Then he wrote again a letter and put into the envelope, addressing to letter to the God and requesting that, oh God, let me have remaining 30 pesos to sustain my life and my family. If you don't give me those 30 pesos, I would not be able to sustain my life. Children, this was about the summary, a letter to God by G.L. Fundos. May God bless you. May success marry you. Have a very, very charming and inspiring learning. Have a good day.